Question 22 for the polynomial 6x cubed plus 7x squared plus ax plus b. They give you 2 bits of information. X plus 1 is a factor and 72 is the remainder when it's divided by x take 2. And as you can guess, you're asked to get the values of a and b and therefore factorise the polynomial completely. Okay, so here's my answer. Okay, question 22, here we go. First of all, if x plus 1 is a factor, then f of minus 1, when you put minus 1 through the function, you get 0. So, there we have the polynomial 6x cubed, 7x squared, ax and b. So that's where these came from. Okay, 6 comes down, minus 1 times 6 is minus 6, 7 takes 6 is 1, minus 1 times 1 is minus 1, a minus 1 times minus 1 is minus a plus 1, add your b, minus a plus b plus 1. Don't forget it's a factor, so that has to be 0. So minus a add b has to be minus 1, just putting that over there. Okay, you can maybe guess we're going to be doing simultaneous equations in a minute. F of 2, if you divide by x take 2, then f of 2, the opposite to take 2, will be 72. And don't forget this slot here is your remainder. Normally we're looking for 0 because we're looking for factors. Not this case, we're going to make it equal to 72. Same as before, 6 goes down, 2 6s are 12 and 7's 19. 2 19's 38, you add 38, double it, 2a add 2 38's are 76, 2a add b add 76. Now this isn't equal to 0 this time, it's equal to 72. So put over the plus 76 to be minus 76, 72 takes 76 is minus 4. Okay, so we have our answer to the previous one, and that was minus a add b is minus 1, we got that earlier on, and 2a add b is minus 4, and we're just going to solve them simultaneously. You probably have your own ideas on this. I'm just going to double the top line here. Minus 2a add 2b gives you minus 2, and if you add them together they'll cancel. 2b add b, 3b, minus 4 take 2 is minus 6, so b is minus 2. 2a add minus 2 is minus 4, because we've got 2a add b is minus 4 earlier on here. So we have 2a add minus 2 is minus 4, put it over, minus 4 add 2 is minus 2, divide by 2, so a is minus 1. So, just to summarise, a is minus 1, b is minus 2. Okay, so we can now write out the polynomial properly. And that is, we have 6x cubed plus 7x squared. Remember, a is minus 1, so we have minus x, and b is minus 2. Okay, now we knew that x plus 1 was a factor, so we're just going to put minus 1 through, just like we did earlier on. That comes down, minus 1 times 6, that becomes 1, minus 1 times 1 is minus 1, that gives you minus 2. Times minus 1 again gives you 2, gives you the 0 that we would expect, because x plus 1 is a factor after all. And we're left with 6, 1 minus 2, and that corresponds to 6x squared plus 1x, take 2 at the end, and that factorises to 3x plus 2 times 2x take 1. So the polynomial factorised completely is the x plus 1 that we knew all along, times 3x plus 2 times 2x take 1.